Hello everyone. So today I'm discuss about how to find the middle element of the linked list. So let's discuss with the problem. You will be given one single linked list and you find the middle. You have to return the address of the middle element of the linked list. So now let's proceed with the solution. So the approach for solving this question is that we suppose you and your friend were running on the track and your speed is s and your friend speed is 2s. So when your friend will finish the race, at that time you will be present exactly at the middle of the race distance. Means suppose if the distance is 10 km, then when your friend will cover 10 km, at that time you will exactly cover 5 km. So this approach we are going to use here. So here we will maintain two pointers. One is slow pointer and other is fast pointer. So let me explain you the intuition how this code will. So the slow and fast pointer, we will keep it at the starting node of the linked list. So the slow and fast will come here. Here I am explaining the slow pointer movement for the odd length linked list. After that I will explain you for the even length linked list. So at the first iteration, what we will do, we will move the slow pointer by 1 and we will move the fast pointer by 2. So my fast pointer will come here and my slow pointer will come here. Okay. And after that, you can see here when the fast pointer is at the last node of the linked list, then the slow pointer is exactly present at the middle of the linked list. Okay. So this is the intuition. So let me write the code. After that, I will explain you for the even length of the linked list. Struct list node. Struct list node star slow, then struct node star fast equal to. Then I'm going to iterate through the linked list. Here I will mention the condition afterwards. First let me write whatever I had explained it to you. I will move the slow pointer by 1 and I will move the fast pointer by 2. Fast next. So let me write here condition first for the odd length. As you can see here, when fast next become null, at that time we have to stop. So I will write fast next should not equal to null. If it become null, then I have to stop. Now let me explain you the slow fast movement for the even length of the linked list. Okay. Now I'm going to add one more row to this linked list. Suppose 4. Let the element present in it is 4. Now again for this also the slow and fast will present here. The same intuition we are going to apply here also. Slow will move by 1. So for first iteration slow come here, fast come here. Then for second iteration the fast will jump by 2. So the fast will come here, means at null position, and slow will come here. This 2 slow will come here. Okay. As you can see here, now the slow is pointing to the middle of the linked list when the fast become null. So let me write this case also. When fast is not equal to null, till that time we have. Okay. Then after that, since after when this loop will end, the slow is pointing to that element which is our middle of the linked list. So we are simply going to return slow. Okay, let me run the code. As you can see, my code get run successfully. Let me submit it. As you can see here, the code gets submitted successfully. I hope you get the approach how to solve, how to find the middle of the linked list. Thank you for watching this video.